Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this mini video, we would like to give you some amazing traveling tips for Miami. In some parts of South Beach, the Miami you think you know, the one rife with mojitos, fancy automobiles, and neon string bikinis, remains vibrant. However, that representation falls short of capturing the actuality, diversity, or essence of the metropolis. In the formerly seedy Wynwood and the commercial center of Brickell on the other side of the causeway, a new cosmopolitanism hub has emerged. Calle Ocho is alive with activity. Even Miami's beachside neighborhood is developing and changing. Miami is a well-liked tourist destination in both the state and the entire world. Although it's common for places to claim that they have something to appeal to everyone, the Miami area actually has something to tempt everyone. The Art Deco district's eye candy adorns South Beach's fashionable nightlife. Calle Ocho's commotion and Little Havana's intensely energized energy. Miami Beach's opulent hotels and Coral Gables' ancient enclaves. Countless shopping options in contemporary, expansive malls and the calm, individualized service provided by the family-owned stores in Coconut Grove and many other areas of the neighborhood. 1. Outdoor adventures: fishing, Everglades parks for water sports, cycling. 2. Family fun beaches, attractions, tours. 3. Sports: football, basketball, hockey, baseball, PGA, auto, golf, soccer. 4. Food, culture, comfort, restaurants, events, arts, hotels. 5. Shopping: Tropical Grove, Brickell, Lincoln Road, and Coral Gables Design District. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.